Well, welcome to the second demo for Linguist Assistant. This demo we're going to look at the semantic representation. Not really so much the nitty-gritty of how we represent semantics, but just more at the interface level, how we can use the interface to see some of the stuff. So this is the main screen. If you go to the generator and the lexicon and grammar development screen, this is the main screen where all of the work is done. And it comes up showing you the text that you were last working on. In this case, I was working on this, one of my favorite texts, The Infected Eye. But you can go to the reference and change what document you're on. We have different collections. We have the grammar introduction, which is the main thing that you work on at the beginning. But among these community documents, we have several stories that are shown there. As far as just getting around and what the screen looks like, you can push the setup screen, change things around a little bit. There's a linear view, which it shows now, and you can change it to a tree view like that. Some people like that better. Also, just for the main screen itself, as it is now, we have added in widescreen. If you change it to standard screen, you'll see what happens. This grammar tree on the right comes down to the bottom, and it makes more room for the semantic representations up on top. That's especially useful if you have a small screen. I have this 10-inch notebook, and this is much better than the other one. So here's the semantic representations. You're going to be learning a lot about those in the paper and in subsequent demos. But for now, we just want to look at from sort of an interface point of view with the mouse overs and stuff. So right here, if we mouse over a concept, these bold English-looking words are concepts, which you'll be learning about. And you'll see it pops up with lots of information, definitions, data grids, argument structures, examples of use. You can also mouse over this middle line of numbers and letters. These are the features, and it'll show you in a way that you can actually read what the features are. Phrase level stuff also has features. You'll be learning about that, but you can mouse over those and see what the features are. You can actually right-click on something, like I just did right there. I right-clicked on Melissa, and this menu comes up that allows you to do a context-sensitive menu. It knows what kind of verb you're on. You can do different things. So that's about all I wanted to show in this demo about the mouse over capabilities and generally getting around. In the next couple of videos, we'll be looking more at the semantics itself.